Right. What is the question number 10? Question number 10 is f of x is equal to tan pi by 4, tan pi by 4 plus tan x. That is tan pi by 4 is 1 plus tan x into they given tan pi by 4 plus tan pi by 4 minus x. Tan pi by 4 is 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x they given. So first I want to simplify this 1 plus tan x. Here 1 plus tan a minus b. Tan a minus b is tan a minus tan b. Tan a is tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 shall I write like 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Since we know that tan of a minus b formula is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Here a value is pi by 4, tan pi by 4 value is 1. Okay, minus tan b by 1 plus tan a 1, tan pi by 4 1. So finally take LCM 1 plus tan x into LCM is 1 plus tan x, or 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x. 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x get cancelled. Tan x minus tan x get cancelled. Okay, so this is equal to what is the remaining? Remaining value is 2. So finally here we got f of x value is 2 after simplifying. So what I have done, tan 45 directly I have written as 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan a minus b formula. So take LCM denote. This will be cancelled, remaining finally 2. So the question is g dash of f of x. Okay, g dash of f of x. First you have to find g dash of x. For that g of x is given clearly. G of x value is multiply with x square plus x. Okay, multiply with x into x square plus 1 into x. Now what is g dash of x here? Differentiate on both sides 2x plus 1. X square is 2x. Okay, so g dash of f of x we required. So 2 into f of x plus 1. Now g dash of f of x value. What is f of x value? We got it 2. Substitute 2 here. So 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 5. Clear student? First I found f of x value, then after I found g dash of x, then I substituted f of x value. That's all. Now let us go for the next question. The next question is root over tan y is equal to e to the power of cos 2x into sin x. Then what is dy by dx? So squaring on both sides, or else you can differentiate it directly. That's your wish. You can differentiate directly also. So what shall we do here? Whether we'll do the differentiate directly or else squaring on both sides. Okay, so okay, squaring on both sides, it will becomes very easy actually. Otherwise, you know, root x formula we can apply 1 by 2 root x e power cos 2x sin x. Right, root over tan y. So you can squaring on both sides, you can differentiate that you will get very easily, but I'll do without squaring. In this method I'll do, we can do with squaring. Okay, without squaring, since we know that the derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So now chain rule, first with differentiate this root, then derivative of tan y. 1 by 2 root tan y. Again tan y derivative is secant square y. Y derivative is dy by dx. It is equal to, this is u, this is v, uv rule. E to the power of cos 2x into sin x derivative is cos x plus, yeah, now sin x e to the power of cos 2x is e power cos 2x into cos 2x is chain rule again. E power x is e power x. Cos 2x is minus sine 2x. Again 2x derivative is 2. Place 2x derivative is 2. So we required only dy by dx. In the question they're asking dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, first you can cross multiply these values. So when I cross multiply here, 2 root tan y by secant square y into, anything is common right side RHS, yes, e power, okay, e power cos 2x is common. What is the remaining value? Remaining value will be, here it is, cos x minus 2 times of sin x sin 2x. Am I right? E power cos 2x I have taken outside. But see, when we see that answer, okay, sin 2y in terms of y and x is there, no problem. So then right, you have to simplify this. What about e power root tan y? Shall I replace here again place of root tan y, this e power cos 2x into cos x? What have I done? Sin x. Okay, right. Sin x. Shall I replace this? Yes. We can replace that because there is no root tan x. So e power cos 2x into 2 times. 2 times of e power cos 2x into sin x by secant square y into e power cos 2x into cos x minus 2 sin x sin 2x. Okay, cot x cot y. Right. Which of the following options we can simplify here? Students, we got e power cos 2x. We don't have any e power cos 2x, so that we might be converted that in terms of okay, this is equal to 2 e to the power of cos 2x the whole square into sin x by secant square y into cos x minus any sin 2x. Yeah, all of you just sin x you can take common. When I take sin x, I want to take sin x common in this. When I take sin x becomes sin square x. Okay, sin square x. The cos x by sin x minus 2 sin 2x. Now we'll get the answer. What is the answer? 2 times of. Shall I write this value as e power cos 2x into sin x the whole square? Okay, by secant square. Secant square y nothing, 1 by secant square y nothing but cos square y. So this is cot x minus 2 sin 2x. So what about this value? E power cos 2x into sin x from equation 1, root tan y. Substitute here root tan y. Root tan y the whole square into cos square y, because here cot x minus 2 sin 2x. So root square cancel, tan y nothing but sin y by cos y. One cos y get cancelled. Then 2 tan y, sorry, 2 sin y cos y is the sin 2y. So the answer will be first option. See here, what I have done, I'm taking one of the sin x is outside. Finally, we got e power cos 2x into sin x to the whole square. This value is clearly root tan y. I replace root tan y whole square. Square root get cancelled, tan y. Tan nothing but sin by cos. Sin y by cos y into cos square y. Cos y get cancelled. Remaining 2 into sin y into cos y. 2 sin y cos y is sin 2y into cot x minus 2 sin 2x. First option. Any doubts? I think so, no doubts. Here, yeah, here as it is, first find parametric equations are given. X is equal to cos theta, y is equal to sin phi theta. X is equal to cos theta, y is equal to 5 sin. Okay, sorry, not 5. Sin phi theta. Right, dx by d theta is minus sin theta, and dy by d theta is cos phi theta into phi. Okay, then dy by dx is given by dy by d theta, that is 5 cos phi theta by minus sin theta. Okay, this is d. So question is this value. Okay, fine. Next step. This is, we need to find d square y by dx square is equal to dy by dx of dy by dx. But see here, we have to differentiate. See, theta terms is there. I told you very clearly. Dy by d theta, we can written as dy by dx. And shall I write dx, d theta by dx here? Okay, students. First, d square y by dx square, you can write dy by dx of this dy by dx. But we cannot differentiate with respect to x this dy by dx value. Okay, for that we'll write d by d theta, dy by dx, d theta by dx. When these two values will be cancelled, again we'll get d by dx. Okay, now you have to replace the values. Okay, so here it is dy by dx, d by dx, sorry, d by d theta of d by d theta of d by dx. So 5 cos 5 theta by minus sin theta into d theta by dx. I want to write as 1 by dx by d theta. Since we know that what is the dx by d theta? Dx by d theta minus sin theta. Yes, you can write. This is equal to u by v rule. First here 5 is the numerator, denominator minus is there. You can take minus 5 outside. Then whenever we take minus 5 outside, then d by d theta of cos 5 theta by sin theta, okay, into 1 by minus sin theta. Because dx by d theta, here we got minus sin theta. So this is equal to minus u by v rule. So then since we know that u by v, p u dash sin theta, u dash derivative is cos phi theta is minus sin 5 theta into 5 minus u v dash. U is cos phi theta, then sin theta derivative is cos theta divided by CMR. Here itself, I want to cancel minus get cancelled. Shall I write remaining sin theta is here? Yeah. Right. Next by sin square theta. So again minus is common. Denominator is sin cube theta. Okay, and 5 5 is a 25 sine phi theta into sine theta. Okay, minus again 5 multiply here, 5 into sine cos phi theta into cos theta. Okay, this is d square y by dx square. After that, substitute all the values in given LHS. Take this as LHS 1 minus x square 1 minus x square. Right, 1 minus x square d square y by dx square. Yeah, minus x into, see, x into dy by dx. So x nothing but you have to replace x value. So what shall we do, students, here? Generally, after finding the second derivative, to identify whether which one of the following is correct, means substitute some theta value. Theta value you can substitute. It may be 0. Okay, it may be like 90. It may whatever it is. Theta value. When you substitute theta value is 0, when I substitute theta value is 0, so what about the value of y? Verification method. Generally, see, now here we have to substitute the x value. What is 1 minus x square? X value is clearly cos theta 1 minus cos square theta into d square y by dx square, means substitute this to whole value here, minus x value again cos theta into dy by dx. You can substitute here, simplify. It is too lengthy. So that here what will you do? You can substitute theta is equal to 0. When you substitute theta is equal to 0, we'll get y value is 0, x value is 1. Okay, y value is 0, x value 1. X value 1 nothing but 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 minus 1 into dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Dy by dx value.
Cos phi theta by minus sin theta.
Cos phi theta at theta value 0.
Cos 0 into phi divided by minus sin theta.
Okay, when theta value 0 means all options are satisfied. So we can take other than 0. Other than 0 means 5 will be there. 5 means theta value, you may take 360 by 5. 60 by 6. 5 into. Yeah, why? Take theta value is like 5 by 2, 90. That's your wish. 5 into 6. Otherwise, theta value you can take as 300. 300 means, okay, 300 by 5 into theta 30. That's your wish, Amma. Any value you can take. Theta 30, 0, 90. When you take theta value 90, x value becomes 0. Y value becomes 5 into 90. What is 5 into 90? It will be 450. Yes or no? 5 into 90 is 450, nothing but sine 90, sine 91. So when you take it, theta is equal to 90, because if any chance will be there to verify the option, you can go through that option verification. When I take theta, so x value 0, 0 into the second value, dy by dx is 0, 1 minus 0 square means 1. Just in the t square y by dx square, you can substitute the theta value by 90. So right side we are getting different answers. Am I right? Y value is 1 means first option is minus 5, second option is 5, third option 25, fourth option is minus 25. So what about this d square y by d square when theta is equal to 90? Substitute here. Theta is equal to 90 means first value here cos theta is there. Cos, whenever you are having cos, this will be 0. This will be 0. And minus 25 into minus 25 into sine phi theta is 1, sine 451 sine 91 by sine cube. Nothing but minus 25 is the answer. Minus 25 is the answer. Once check that options verification. Fourth options, is it right, Amma? Fourth option is right. Yeah, fourth option is right. 12th is fourth option. Okay, students, some substitution and simplification quite difficult. So that just you can substitute some theta value, you can make them any one of the value 0. If x is 0, then simplification very easy. Y should not be equal to 0 because all the options they given in terms of y. You can take 30, 60, 45 also, theta value. Like that you can do. Then what about here? This is simple question. We have to differentiate 3 times. 3 times. Okay. When you differentiate 3 times, we'll get a value directly. That a value you can substitute in third, second derivative. Let's see here. Ax cube plus bx square. I will tell you p of x value. P of x value is ax cube plus b x square plus cx plus d. Right. What is p of 0?
4.
That is d is equal to 4. All values 0. D value clearly 4. Differentiate. P dash of x first. 3a x square plus 2b x plus c. So what is p dash of x? P dash of 0?
3.
C is equal to 3. P double dash of x, 6ax plus 2b. So P double dash of 0 is 2b is equal to, what is the value they given? 4. So b is equal to 4 by 2. That is 2. So P triple dash of x, nothing but just 6a. 6a is equal to they given 6. Nothing but a is equal to 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing but what is the question here? Descending order. Descending order, we need to write their values, ABCD values in descending order. Which of the following option is correct? First one alone. Yes or no? A value 1, 2, 3, 4. So first option alone correct. That is a simple question, not a difficult. 14th one, I think so. 14th one also easy. F of x they given x power n. Then they given one condition, f dash of a plus b is
Third
equal
option
to,
is correct, no, sir.
yeah.
They was descending order, so it's third option only, no, sir.
Oh, sorry, descending order, third option. DC, right. I thought ascending order. Is it clear, student? Yes, descending order. Right? Third option is absolutely right. Now next step. X power n f dash of a plus b is equal to f dash of a. So when a greater than. So what shall we do? We need to find n value. That's all. For what value of n, both will be equal. For what value of n, here f dash of a plus b is equal to f dash of a plus f dash of b. Okay, first take the given function. F of x is equal to x power n they given. What is f dash of x is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Then f dash of a plus b is n into a plus b all to the power of n minus 1 is equal to n into a to the power of n minus 1 plus n into b to the power of n minus 1. That is nothing but f dash of a plus f dash of b. Because here they given one condition, f dash of a plus b is equal to f dash of a plus f dash of b. I have substituted the values, substituted this condition they given. I'm equating just this condition, f dash of a plus b is equal to f dash of a, f dash of b. After differentiated, I replaced x by these values. Okay, for what value of n, it will be, both will be equal, whether they are given in different n values. First one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Substitute 1, n is equal to 1. Is here LHS equal to RHS? When I take n is equal to 1 means 1 is equal to, here left side is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. A plus b whole power 0, 1. 1 into 1 is 1. LHS is 1, right? RHS is, here it is 1 plus 1. Is 1 here is equal to 1 plus 1? No. So n is equal to 1 is wrong. Now substitute n is equal to 2. When I substitute n is equal to 2, 2 into a plus b whole power 2 minus 1, that is nothing but 2 into a plus b is equal to right side. Substitute 2. 2 into a power 1 plus 2 into b power 1. When I take 2 common, a plus b. A power 1 is a, b power 1 is b. Is there LHS equal to RHS or not? When n is equal to 2. I differentiated given function, and in given condition I substituted all values. So n is equal to 2. It is satisfying. That's all. No need to check 3 and 4 because it is not multi correct answers questions, just single answers questions. 3 and 4 will be wrong. So this is simple. F of x is given modulus x minus 2. Okay. So then for x greater than 4, we need to find g dash of x. This we can say composite function f of x. That is nothing but modulus of x minus 2 minus 1, like that. Okay. Two different cases will get that you can do. First, this is important question. I can explain you this first. Because okay, we may differentiate this after expanding. We may differentiate this. Your x value domain they given x greater than 4. X greater than 4 means what about modulus x minus 2? In next question, see here clearly they given domain for x greater than 4. X greater than 4. What about modulus x minus 2? Two cases is there. X minus 2. X minus 2 greater than or equal 0. Minus of x minus 2. X minus 2 is lesser than 0. Okay, this is equal to, we'll write here x minus 2. Here x take minus 2 greater than or equal to 2. Already greater than 4 is given. So modulus of x minus 2 is what? See, in question itself, they given x value more than 4. When I substitute 4 here, 4, 5, 6, what about modulus value? Positive or negative? It is positive alone. We cannot take negative, so that what about here f of x value is plus x minus 2. Is this x minus 2 you can substitute over here. You can substitute f of x. So this is f of x. F of x value is f of x minus 2. X minus 2. This again you can substitute here x minus 2 minus 2. X minus 2 minus 2 is clearly x minus 4. Again, when x greater than 4, x greater than 4, what about this modulus? F of x, again it will become x minus 4 alone. Because substitute 5, 6, 7, what is the output here? Positive only will get. In case x lesser than 4 is given, it is, we can write minus of x minus 4. Lesser than means substitute 3, 2, 1, 0, like that, will get a negative values. But they given greater than 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, for any value, substitute here will get a positive, so that it is positive. So what is the derivative now? Okay. G dash of x derivative is clearly, I think so 1. That's all. That is a simple question and a logical question. Now let us do the 16th question. 16th question is, just we are having 1 minute time. right. So here 1 plus x square plus x power 4 d by dx of 1 plus x square plus x power 4 1 plus x power 4 x square, sorry. Okay, how can you simplify this? Okay, so here we'll do one thing. 1 plus x square plus x square whole square. Um, Positive is given here. Okay. Okay, shall I write this value like this somehow? First 1 plus x square plus x power 4 shall I write here? Like 1 plus x plus x square into x power 4 is there, no? 1 plus x minus x square. We should write a plus b the whole square. So when I do here, this is a, this is b, means we will get 1 plus x the whole square. Okay, x square is there, no? Square means whole square minus x power 4. See, we can do in two ways. One is you can do differentiate directly, actually, u by v rule. When you apply u by v rule, no need to do. I'm checking just shortcut method. Like x power 4 is there, when whether we'll write a plus b to a minus b or not for this. Okay, this question will do directly u by v rule.